So when you receive your Shake and Spell packet from me, if you order on the Etsy shop, it comes with all the included instructions for the various ways that you can use it, especially based on if you have to do things privately. I will even include little recipes, how you can turn it into a spray, a spiritual cologne, a bath soak, all of those things. And like I said, you choose the intention that you want. They all come with a different charm based on the intention. So this one is that mind-changing blend that I've been using for the spells that you've seen on Instagram. And I don't write on them. It's for you to write on because this is also brown paper. You can use this to write your intention on, or you can use your own secret language. This is the Theban alphabet. And then you can also add symbols. I'm going to add an Adinkra symbol that also goes with this intention, but you can add your own runes, sigils, whatever.